How to add multiple links to your Instagram profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple clickable links to your Instagram profile so that you can link to your website, social media, anything like that on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to add clickable links to our Instagram profile, we need to first open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select the profile icon in the bottom of the app. Once you get to your profile, select Edit Profile, and then under Edit Profile, near the bottom, you'll see Links. Go ahead and select that. So now that we're on links, all we need to do is select Add External Link. Then you want to paste the URL of the link. So if this is for your social media, it's the link to your social media or your website, anything like that. And then you can also go down and add a title, and this is what text will be shown. But you don't have to add a title, so you can just select Done once you're done. And there you go, it now has added that link. If I want to add a second link, just select Add External Link, put the URL in, add the title, and then select Done. And then there you go, that's there as well. If you want to reorder the links, just select the three dots in the top right, select Reorder Links, and then you can kind of just move them around to whatever order you want. Once you're done, select Done. And then when we go back to our profile and refresh it, we could select the link right under our bio and you'll see the links there. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.